Hey everyone, make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and create a gap using your finger behind the ponytail and drop the tail into it and make it tighten a little bit. Then split the tail into two parts and have it braided in a thicker manner by splitting them into three parts and have the end secure with a rubber band. Then make the braid on the left tail of the hair and continue doing it until you reach the bottom middle part as well. Then after that, move the braid to the top and have it in place by dropping your fluffy hair clutcher. Make a lovely ponytail out of your hair with the last loop of the rubber band, create a lump and stretch the lump for a little volume and also pinch out the hair on the top section for boosting out the volume on that one as well. Then split the tail into two and twist it and make it go across each other on the top and secure it underneath the lump with the rubber band. Then leave the remaining hair as such, making it as a beautiful hairstyle. Go for shopping and buy several hair clips depending on your fashion choice like this girl. Hold your hair from top and have a beautiful rubber band attached to it into several loops, making it tighten a little bit, making a lovely ponytail. Then after that, with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, wrap it and have another ponytail out of it as well. Then drop the tail into the second loop we have, making it come together on the left side. On that side, how it split them together and how it tighten a little bit and how a rubber band attach the middle part and how it go over to the right and how it stuffed inside the tips and make it go into the loop again, making it tighten. Then how the tips hidden underneath the lump we created. Then drop in your favorite hair clutcher, clutching that position. Hold your lovely hair from behind and tie with the rubber band with several loops on it, making a lovely ponytail. And also create a gap behind your ponytail using your finger and drop the tail into it after loosening the rubber band and make it come down and have it tighten a little bit by splitting it into two parts and have a rubber band attach the middle part and make it to the top and have it as a bun and have it in place by dropping lovely hair clutcher on either side of the tail and leave the remaining hair as such. Once again, go for a lovely bunch and have a gap created behind using your finger, but this time drop the tail from bottom to top and make it come down. Have two rubber bands attached to the middle part and stuff the tail into the last loop of the rubber band and have it attached to your hair by using a lovely large hair clutcher. Grab your lovely hair from behind and tie with a beautiful rubber band into 4 or 5 loops together, making a ponytail. But with the last loop of the rubber band, save for it and bring the entire tail into it, leaving the last section as such. Then with the remaining tail, how it stuffed into the second loop of the rubber band, then how it go across to it. Then make the ponytail go to the left and make it go 180 degrees to the top and have the end stretched out to the maximum volume as you could so that it looks like a hollow design. Then with the remaining section of the hair on the top, pinch out the hair a little bit for boosting out the volume. Grab your hair from the sides on the top section and have it attached to a rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. Then with the remaining section of the hair at the back, bring the right section entirely to the left and have it combine into a single section. Then split them into 3 parts and have it braided in an extreme thicker manner. Do the braiding from top to bottom and have the end secure with another rubber band. Then fold the braid into half and make it to the bottom right and have it in place by dropping your lovely hairband out of what you collected. Hold your lovely hair from behind and have it tied with the rubber band, making a lovely ponytail. And with the last loop of the rubber band, create a lump and have the tail go around the rubber band we have covering it. Then stretch the lump for more volume and have the tips hidden underneath the lump we created. Then drop in a lovely hairband on top of it. Then stretch the bun even more for volume. Then also stretch out the hair on the top section for boosting out the volume on that one as well. Thank you guys for watching this video.